Well, hello, beautiful babes. This is Jessica Jones with Rebel Women Wealth, coming in with a little tutorial. Let me tell you how to go put a beneficiary on your accounts at your bank, okay? I am not going to mention any names, but I have had several experiences with most, if not all, of the big national chain banks in this country. And I'm going to just tell you something. Go log into your account and put in the search bar beneficiary, see what comes up. Because most of the time, nothing comes up. It says no results found. That is ridiculous. And to me, it seems criminal. However, you can't change your beneficiaries on most of these bank accounts, any kind of like credit union accounts, that sort of thing online. Typically, they want you to go in. A lot of times you have to make an appointment to even change or even find out if you have a beneficiary on your accounts. So please go do it. I know it's a pain in the ass because you can't do it on the online, and that's just a travesty in my opinion. It's seriously like criminal. You should be able to do that. You can do that on investment accounts. You can do that on all sorts of other life insurance accounts, annuity accounts, any brokerage accounts, your 401k account, but for some reason your bank account, you can't. So make an appointment. Why don't you go in and talk to your nice little teller there and tell them that you need to put a beneficiary on your account. Now that's for your personal accounts. So for all my babes who have, a business and you have business accounts, that is a lot more complicated. They typically won't let you just put a beneficiary on that because if it's a corporation or LLC, there's different rules and they have to be liquidated or blah, 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 blah. There's some workarounds for that. If you are like an S Corp, you have a corporation, you can change. It's a little bit more complicated though, because you need to change it on the business side. You need to put somebody else as a percentage of owner on the business or do it that way internally within your business. There is a workaround though. If you do have a business account at a bank, you can always add a signer on. Now, you have to trust that person not to go and just like wreck your whole life and get in your accounts and start writing checks or whatever. However, at least if you have a signer on there, someone you trust, then that's a workaround for now until you change your articles of incorporation or whatever to get another person on that account. Otherwise, they're going to freeze the accounts. And I can't even get into what these people told me about how long it takes. And once you present a death certificate, then they freeze the account for 40 days. Like, it's just insanity, okay? I'm just telling you this because I would like for you to have a heads up and so that you can prepare, because I think it is outrageous and I do this for a living. Okay, that's all for now. Love you. Bye.